In this video, we will see how to set up the redirection rules in the Apache virtual hosts. So this will be needed if you have multiple websites hosted on your computer. So we had set up the domain name to the IP address of the home computer. So if we have multiple websites, we don't have multiple IP addresses. So the two different websites will still point to the same IP address, but we have to do the setup so that if it is coming from website 1's logic gets called from your computer, and if the request is coming from website 2, the logic in website 2 gets executed. So to do the setup, we go to our exempt window. So this configuration setup has to be done in the Apache virtual host configuration file. So click on the configuration here. By default it is not listed here, so click on the browse Apache. So there you see the Apache folders. Click on the configuration folder, then extra, then go to the virtual host configuration file. In here there are some examples given here. So how we do it, we enter a new record here. So in the record we specify what should happen. So if there is a request with virtual host 80, so we can copy the code from here. There's a request from virtual code from port 80. So if we have a server name, so in our case we are using a server name of that's the domain name. So my domain name was last. So here we give the address of the localhost. So this is the setup. So how it works is it checks that for port 80, if the request is coming from this domain, then the requests are forwarded to this address, and it allows the request. So similarly, if you have other domain, let's say you have a domain 2, so you copy the same code and paste down below, and let's say you have a domain 2, and then that you want to forward the address to a different website 2. So this is how it works. So all the requests from this domain get forwarded to this application on the computer, and all the requests from this domain get forwarded to this application on the home computer.